All right, now that we've got our hump, and it's still centered, I'm just going to keep on throwing. So now we're going to move on to the classic Japanese rice bowl. And this is where throwing from the hump came from, this high production, very fast method of throwing utilitarian objects for everyday use. And when you throw off the hump in this method, it's really good for your body. It's a lot more efficient and streamlined than the American version of production. For some reason, the Japanese have got it down. They've been doing it thousands of years longer than us. So I want to take this, center it up again with a nice wheel wedge, and establish how much clay you want to use. So for one of these bowls, we're going to use maybe about a pound. And I can tell you right there, that's about a pound.